In Super Bowl X, a moment unfolded that would forever blur the lines between offense and defense. Chicago Bears defensive tackle William the Refrigerator Perry bulldozed his way into the end zone, scoring a dramatic touchdown against the New England Patriots. Known for his massive size and presence on defense, the Fridge was unexpectedly sent in on a goal line play. As 300-pound Perry plowed through, carrying a wave of defenders with him, the world watched in awe. This play is renowned not only for its novelty, but also for reshaping NFL strategies by utilizing players in unconventional roles. What Super Bowl moment would you say changed the game's direction forever?